Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and a safe channel to store backups. Once done, invite Xenon with the correct OAuth scopes and give Manage Server and Manage roles. This ensures it can read and restore settings. Next, pick a dedicated backup channel and record its ID so you won't misplace exports. Also, enable basic automations like auto roles and welcome messages now. That reduces manual work later and makes subsequent backups more reliable and deterministic. Now you configure precise backup behavior and controls. First, run X. Backup create to produce an immediate snapshot. Make sure the file ID and timestamp match expectations. Once verified, schedule recurring backups with X. Backup schedule and choose daily or weekly cadence while confirming the server time zone because timing matters. Then, lock down restores by assigning restore permission to admins or a single role. Finally, perform a dry run restore to confirm settings without overriding the live configuration. Finish by executing the restore when needed. Run X, backup restore ID, and follow the prompts to pick channels, roles, or full server restore. You should then double-check role positions and channel permission overwrites and reapply any missing webhooks or integrations manually, because some external connections won't migrate. If something goes wrong, inspect Xenon's role position, bot permissions, and API rate limits, then fix those issues and retry. One quick troubleshooting tip. Moving Xenon above affected roles usually resolves most restore permission errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.